In this video, we are going to demonstrate the process of sharing GIFs on Threads, the platform where moments come to life through visual expressions. Whether you call them GIFs or gifts, these animated images can add a dash of fun and creativity to your conversations. So let's dive right in and learn how to post them seamlessly. First off, let's open the Threads app. Once you're in, you'll notice that I've already posted a GIF. Now, to share your own, you'll need to save a GIF to your device's photo library. While there isn't a direct integration with GIF sites within Threads, you can easily access your favorite GIF sources through Safari or your preferred browser. Popular sources include Giphy, Tenor, GIFcat, and more. Using your browser, head over to your preferred GIF source. For instance, let's say you choose Giphy. Search for the GIF that perfectly captures the emotion or message you want to convey. Once you've found the ideal GIF, tap and hold on it if you're using an iPhone. A menu will pop up, allowing you to save the GIF to your photos. It's important to ensure that the GIF is animated in your photo library. This ensures it will work flawlessly on Threads. If the GIF is static, it won't have the same captivating effect. Before moving forward, double-check that the saved GIF is animated and lively in your photos. If it's moving smoothly, you're ready to proceed. Now, let's head back to the Threads app. Whether you're creating a new post or responding to an existing one, the process remains consistent. Locate the area where you can add an image. It's usually represented by a link icon or a similar symbol. Click on the link icon and then select the GIF you saved earlier from your photo library. The chosen GIF will now be seamlessly integrated into your post. With the GIF successfully added to your post, you're almost there. You can choose to add some accompanying text if you like, or simply let the GIF speak for itself. Once you're satisfied, hit the post button and voila, your animated GIF is now part of the conversation. In a nutshell, that's how you can effortlessly share GIFs on Threads. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to infuse your conversations with an extra layer of engagement and amusement. So go ahead, explore the world of GIFs, and let your creativity flow on Threads. In addition to that, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon.